औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to animate your name or any text or word with the help of Scratch 1.4. Okay, look here. I have used different costume over here. Okay, let's take a start. How to animate your name with the help of Scratch 1.4. Let's take a start. You can even do it in Scratch 2.0 as well. So first of all, we need to launch an application. I have already installed Scratch on my system. So first of all, click on Start and then click on Scratch. Okay, gee. Here it is. Okay, today's objective is that how to animate your name using Scratch. We will write a script and then we will animate our name. So first of all, let's take a start and let me delete this sprite using this scissor. Just click on it. Okay, now I want to animate my name, so I need to click here in new sprites, choose new sprite from a file. Now here I want to select letters, click on letter, and now here you can even use digits. Alphabets are there, or you can use what, you can go for letters. Okay, circle, alphabets also over here. Okay, now I'm going to use which one, I'm going to use these digits here, digital. Okay, scroll down and first of all I'm going to write here hello world and then I will write my name. Okay, for hello world I'm going to pick few letters from here. H, they will appear as a sprite H. Okay, then E, then double L, let me create this duplicate. O, I'm going to pick O. Instead of O, I'm going to pick this 0. Hello. Now here I'm going to write here world. W. I'm going to create a duplicate of this. W-O-R. LD, world. Where is L? Here's L. L. And now D. Hello world. Here it is. Okay, now first of all I'm going to animate this H. Click on H, sprite 1. Now click on costume and here I need to create its multiple copies. Click on copy and you will generate its multiple copies. Now I want to edit this, click on edit. Now use this bucket, pick color, drop it over here. Okay, now click on next. Done. Okay, the last one. done. Okay, now E. Let me shrink this, and this one as well. Make it bigger. Fine. Okay, this one later on. I'm now going to work on second sprite E. So let me create its copies. Okay, now edit, pick a color, carefully drop it on these black areas here of these blocks. Okay, now the last one. Done. Okay, now let's talk about this sprite number 3. Same way, create copies. Now let me use these colors from color picker, pick color, and using this bucket drop it on these letters, fill with color. Okay, done. Okay, now let me write script behind sprite 1, sprite 2, and sprite 3 script. Okay, now when, for example, when green flag click, do what? Forever, put a forever block. Okay, forever is used for repeatedly repeat this instruction, whatever comes inside this block, repeat it forever. Okay, now do what? So click on looks and next costume. So let me click on, now it's flashing. Okay, let me control its movement. As you know that using with the help of weight block we can control its movement. Look there, now it's too slow. Let me change it to 0.5. on your keyboard you can type. Looks good. Okay, now same way I'm going to write the same script behind sprite 2 and even sprite L. So let me click on, look there, interesting. Okay, now I want to do what? Now I want to create the duplicate copy of this one, this L. Sorry, duplicate created or not? Okay, let me drop here. Yes, created this one. Okay, let me delete this one, sprite 4 deleted. Instead of sprite this one, I'll let me place this over here. Now let me run. Look here, but let me change its sequence. Costume. Okay, number 1. Yes, that's how you can change their sequence. Okay, play. Good. Okay, now let me click on O. Select this O. Let me shrink it. Fine. Okay, now go back. Click sprite number 5. Create its multiple copies. Okay, and then click on edit. Now use colors. Okay, now let me write the script behind this as well. So I will pick script from here and just drop it on O. Let me run this. Look here, hello world. Now let me animate these as well, world. So let me create the duplicate of this one. So click on duplicate, So let me create duplicate of O. Where I'm going to place this O, it's over here. First of all, let me delete this sprite, this one, and instead let me place it over here. Now play. Okay, now the last one, make this red. Fine. Now copy the script and drop it on R as well. So run the script. Browse it. Look here what's going on behind the script. In costume, we are just switching between different costumes here. These are different sprites. Use this color. Okay. Same way, copy the script and just drag and drop it on D. Now play. That's how you can animate your name with the help of Scratch 1.4 2.0. It's very easy way and interesting. You can use this. Look here, I have used only when click green flag. I have used a forever loop, then move to the next costume, then wait 0.5 second. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.